What's special about green chilies in a margarita is it's a natural complement to silver tequila, salt, and lime. So this is the secret to the Norteño Margarita, the green chili juice from Hatch. In addition to the 2 ounces of fresh lime juice I have in the shaker, I'm going to add 2 ounces of premium tequila. I'm going to use 1 ounce of orange liqueur and 1 ounce of our Hatch green chili juice. This is the secret sauce, exactly. Add ice, grab a shaker, boom, 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 boom. This margarita is special because we are in New Mexico. Equal parts salt, equal parts green chili powder. So I'm gonna rub the rim of a glass with the fresh lime.